Good morning, everyone. I'm Siddharth Singh, and today, along with my teammates Ritesh, Shyam, and Sonal, we are going to present a demo for a new web application we have developed for field linguists called the LIFE Linguistic Field Data Management and Analysis System. It is a web-based linguistic data management tool which is used to storage, management, and sharing of the linguistic data collected from the field. And we have attached the computational part to this tool so that to bridge the gap between the field linguist and the computational linguist. So let's go to the demo. Let me share my screen. So this is the interface of the application. Here, if you are a new user, you can click on the new user button and register yourself. When you get registered, it will show that you have now a registered user. You can log in with your newly created registered ID. And as you have newly registered for on the app, there will be no previous project shown on the home interface. You have to create new project using the create new project button. In the project name, you can give the project of the language on which you want to work. Let's say I want to create a work on Braj. Lexeme language will be Braj. Lexeme script I am going to use for Braj is Devanagari, and the class language will be Hindi. And these are the fields which will be created when you create a form for your project. If you don't want any of these fields, then you can uncheck this. Else you can let it remain checked. And if you want to add some extra fields apart from these already given options, then you can use the custom fields to add the custom field according to your need. Let's create the form. Create button. If the if the project name already exists, then it will not create. It will ask you to take another name. Let's take Braj 123. Class language will be Hindi. Create form. The project will be created and you will en route to the enter Lexeme part of the project, where you can enter the details of Lexemes. Let's enter a Lexeme here, like Acha. Then in pronunciation you have to give the IPA of the word, and you can upload the sound file if you have any for the word. And in the sense part, you can add the gloss of the word for the respective language. By default, the English gloss is always be given, so you don't have to choose while creating the form. Choose the grammatical category. Good is adjective. Good boy. And then these are the other fields. If your in your language the particular lexeme contains the information, then you can provide it in the and then you have to submit to save the lexeme. Then you will click submit. It will show that you have successfully added the new lexeme. And if you want to enter more lexemes, you can continue with the same using the same process. Let's see the lexeme which have you entered using the view lexeme tab given in the navigation bar. and in view lexeme you can see that you have the word is showing which you have entered. And here in this interface there are multiple options which you can use to control the entry of a lexeme. Like if you want to download a selected lexeme, then you can check uncheck accordingly. And if you want to view the lexeme, you can use the view button. Edit the lexeme you have entered. Want to change the details or update the details, you can use the edit button. If you want to remove that lexeme from your project, you can use the delete button. There is also an option for delete multiple lexeme, which you can check uncheck accordingly, and you can use the delete multiple lexeme to delete the more than one lexeme at a time. And this is a search where you can search for the uh, lexeme. If the entries are more like in hundreds in numbers, then you can easily use the search function here. And there in this interface we provide a lot of different type formats in which you can download your lexeme. Like there are JSON format, CSV format, and in LaTeX or HTML, and different types of RDF. For let's try to download it in JSON format. Click on the JSON and it will pop up a downloading window. You have to click OK if you want to save or open. The folder name will be created with the which is the project of name, and inside that the details related to lexeme will be in the lexeme project name .json, and the files which you have uploaded for the lexeme, that will be in the same folder. So if you want to then the next part is to enter the sentences. Like if you want to enter the sentences of for a language, then you can use this enter view sentence button on the navigation panel, and here it will show that button to add new sentence to your project. So like let's add the first sentence. You can add the sound file here of the sentence which you are details of sentence which you are adding. Let's add the sound file and let's add a sentence. So in the first input box you have to enter the sentence as a plain text and without any extra formatting, but in the second input box you have to put the morphemic break and use the hash to put the boundary on the root word, and click on this green button and it will generate a form in which you can give more information for each morpheme, like and will be input box in which it will ask for the translation of the sentence, and these details will be used in further to automate some part of these forms. So let's save the first sentence of our project using the save sentence button, and when you save the click the save sentence button, the sentence will be saved and it will be shown in the regular क्या format है in our regular glossing format which we are used to see all. And then if you want to, there is edit sentence button. If you want to make some changes in the already entered sentence, you can use edit button, and then you can add some more sentence likewise. And when you enter at least 10 or 20 sentence, then you can use this automation button on the navigation panel, and there are different types of automation which you can use to train the model machine learning, using machine learning techniques, and you can automate the process of filling the details regarding your project in future. So let's train a POS tagger, and like this, if you have and click on the automate POS, it will give you option to, if you want to check like it is doing something or not. Like if you put a table, it will showing that it's a now. Then again, we can, if we want to enter new sentence after using the automation, uh, it will it will do some task already for you. Like it will provide the POS tag for these morphemes, and the affix, if there is dash, then it will pre-fill with the affix, and in that way you have to fill less compared to earlier what you are filling in this form. And then we move to the home page, and let me show you the buttons. Like now you can see that there is a project added here in the home page which you have created recently, and it will also show in this drop down. So these three buttons again will take you to the different web pages which give access to different information regarding the project. Like this is going to take you to the view Lexeme interface, and there are two additional buttons which will be useful when you, if you want to share your
3 मिनट बाकी है तुम्हारे पास.
if you want to share your project with other registered users in this application. You can click on share project, and it will give different options on which you can select users. You can select multiple users at a time and click share. The project will be shared to these two users. Let's add one more user. So this is the share button. In a while I will show you how that this project has been shared with those users by logging in one of the users account. And here the download project button will download the project of each and every detail which you have entered in the project. I click you, it will download a folder name of the project with the name of the project and the sentences you have entered, a JSON of sentences you have entered, and the lexicon and the files related to these entries. So let me show you quickly the project which has been shared with the user 19. So in the list of projects of user 19, there will be Braj 1, 2, 3. If you want to see the project, just you have to click on the project, and the active project will change to that project which you want to access. And when you go to the view and edit, the same details will be shown here for the user 19 as well, and he can also add or view and download the different parts of the project. So thank you for your time, and if you have any feedback, comments, please, and questions, please do ask. Thank you.